Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make dal chicken noodle soup. First, gather your miniature ingredients. You'll need some tiny pasta, like orzo or alphabet shapes, and a small piece of yellow craft foam for the chicken. Also, grab a tiny bowl and spoon, plus some clear liquid glue. Make sure all your items are dal-sized and safe for crafting. This easy method will create a realistic-looking soup for your dals. Now, let's prepare our soup components. Take your yellow craft foam and carefully cut it into very small, irregular shapes to resemble cooked chicken pieces. Next, cook your tiny pasta according to package directions, but use only a small amount of water. Once cooked, drain the pasta well and let it cool down completely. This ensures everything is ready for assembly. It's time to assemble our delicious dal soup. Carefully place the cooled pasta and the foam chicken pieces into your miniature bowl. Now, for the broth, add a small amount of clear liquid glue over the ingredients. You don't need much, just enough to coat everything and give it a soupy look. Gently stir with your tiny spoon to mix it all together. Once everything is mixed, let the glue dry completely. This might take a few hours, so be patient. After it's dry, your dal chicken noodle soup will be perfectly set and ready for your dolls to enjoy. It looks so realistic and adds a wonderful touch to any dollhouse meal. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and products, including a fantastic car air freshener to keep your rides smelling fresh and clean. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.